Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Let's produce an answer to this question and percentage, that is compound interest. Sebastian leave £3,000 in the bank for 2 years. It earns a compound interest of 2% per year. So calculate the total amount Sebastian has in the bank at the end of the year. So we are going to calculate this in two methods. First, using the formula. Second, using the year by year calculation. So we know amount that we are looking for at the end of the 2 years is A. P stands for principal, 1 plus R divided by N and NT. This is the popular formula we use for calculating the compound interest, where A stands for amount, P for principal, which is the £3,000, 1 plus R, which is the rate, percentage rate, which must be in decimal. So in this case, 2% become 2 out of what? 100, which will be converted to 0.02. Then R, that is the number of times that the interest is compounded. So you can see here, it is per year, not per month, as in for every 4 months they are calculating the interest, but here every year they calculate the interest. So the N here will stand for 1 per once. Every year the interest is calculated. Then the T stands for the duration, the number of times that this principal is staying in the bank. And in this case, is staying in the bank how many times? 2 years. So if I want the amount that I am going to found is going to be equal to £3,000 into bracket 1 plus the rates, which is going to be 0.02 divided by 1 times what? 2. You know the 1 is per year. No need writing the 1, but I'm only writing it for emphasis sake, that we are saying that if it is per 1, that's per year, it could be every 6 months, quarterly, every 4 months. Then it means 1 year will not become what? 4. Then multiply by the 10, which is the year. So in this case, I'll be having 3,001 plus, which 1 plus this will give you 1.02, then 1 times 2 will be 2. So we can proceed to have 3,000 times. If you square this, you have 1.0404, as in the square of 1.02. Then now we multiply this, that gives us, let me write my pounds well, that will give us 3121.20, 3,121 pounds, point 20, to be I think penny, right? 20 pennies. All right, that is using the formula. So anytime the question is per year, the best thing is just write the percentage as decimal, add it to 1, square it with raise it to the power to the number of years, then multiply by this in that quick succession. No need going to the formulas. You can do that right away. Or you can say that at the first year, if I'm going to have a compound interest, that's the interest on the money, it is going to be 2% of what? 3,000. 2% of that, which is more or less like 0.02 times 3,000. And if you do that, the 2 zeros will cancel this. You'll be left with 2 times 30, and that gives us what? 60 pounds. Which means in the first year, your interest is going to be 60 pounds. Then it means there is a compound interest, is accumulation of interest. So your amount will now become your 3,000 that you begin with plus what? The 60 pounds that you have now accumulated at the end of that 1 year. So your total amount in the bank is now going to be 3,000 and what? 60 pounds. It means if you begin the the money is in the bank 2020. At the end of 2021, your money is now going to be 3060. Then you want to see what it will be at the end of 2022. For the second year, it will still be 2% of your new principal now, which is what? 3060. So this will also be 2/100 times 360. We know this will cancel this. Then this will multiply divided by 10. So let's see what you're going to have. 306 times 2, 12, 1. So you have 1, 6. So this is going to be divided by 10, right? So we are going to have a point here. So 61.20. But we are looking for the amount at the end of that year, which your amount is now going to be what you are having at the end, 3060 plus what? Let me put the 20 here, then put the 1 here, put the 6 here, and add. I'll be having 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3 pounds. I'll still have 3021 pounds with 20 pennies. So either you use the formula direct, which is the shortest method, direct approach, without going through the formula. You just have to find the decimal of the percentage, add it to 1, find raise to the power the number of years times your principal. You get your answer. Or you still have to find it year by year. So if it is 5 years, the first year you compound it, you add the price to it. The second year you compound it in that order. I believe the concept is clear. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye bye.